Micro Motor Madness. Scale down, drive big.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're putting the Mini Moab Adventure Crawler course to the test with a variety of 1/24th and 1/18th scale RC crawlers. If you missed the video where we built this parkour, click the link at the top right to see the full tutorial. This part of the course has a challenging climb with loose-looking textures and carved wheel ruts. Whether you're rocking a stock crawler or a fully modded beast, this course has something for everyone. Let's see how these crawlers perform on the Mini Moab Adventure. This section mimics a rocky trail with uneven terrain. It's all about slow and steady throttle control. Inspired by the breathtaking red rock landscapes of Moab, Utah, this course has steep climbs, rugged trails, and realistic textures to challenge our rigs indoors. It's lightweight, portable, and perfect for testing suspension flex, chassis clearance, and crawling performance. Now for the suspension bridge, a tricky feature that tests balance and control. Each crawler brought something unique to the Mini Moab Adventure. This course is a perfect testing ground for indoor adventures, and it was so much fun to see how each rig handled the challenges. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed what you saw and want to stay updated with all our upcoming content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring the notification bell. This way, you'll be the first to know when we drop new videos. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to share more exciting content with you. So, subscribe, like, and ring that bell. See you in the next one.